You can see what they have to sleep in now. Obviously they can't go back in any of these buildings. They're all going to have to be torn down, all these houses. Here's one that's totally left standing. Don't really know why. A couple of these are, and a couple of them, but most of the rest of them are damaged in some ways, but they're still afraid, and I don't blame them to go back in. So, walls fell down. More destruction.
Well, she was in this building when it caved in. And as you can see, she's a miracle once again. God bless her. Did she not hurt her at all? No hurt. No. Ask her if she can say thank you, Jesus. Praise God.
This is my. This is one of my little girlfriends here that's been hanging around with me all day. This was her house with her dad. Here's her sister.
That's all right. I was going to take a picture with you, but that's okay.